Hello everyone, my name is Sabe Sachin. Today's topic is Digital India. So let's discuss about Digital India. Digital India is campaign launched by the government of India uh, to make its service available to a citizen electronically via improved online infrastructure and by increasing internet connectivity. The initiative includes plans to connect the rural area with high-speed internet networks. It consists of three core components. The development of secure and stable digital infrastructure, delivering government service digitally, and universal digital literacy. Launched on 1 July 2050 by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It both uses and supports other government India schemes such as BharatNet, Make It in India, Startup India, Stand Up India, Industrial Corridors, Bharatmala, Sangramala, and Amrit Bharat Session scheme. As of 31st December 2018, India has a population of 130 crore people. 130 crore Aadhaar digital biometric identity cards and 150 crore mobile phones, smartphone, 130 crore internet users up to 481 million people. So 80% of the country total population in December 2017 and 31% growth in e-commerce. So Digital India was launched by the Prime Minister of Indian Narendra Modi on 1 July 2015 with an objective of connecting rural area with high speed network and improving digital literacy. The Digital India program aim to promote inclusive growth in the areas of electronic services, products, product manufacturing, and job opportunities. It is centered on their key areas. Digital infrastructure as a utility to every citizen, governance and service on demand, and digital improvement of citizen. The plan of also attempt to expand access to the implementation of the Netcare system program. So digital providing high speed internet connectivity all gram panchayat on rural, local or governments, enhancing the digital literacy of citizen and expanding the use of digital technology in delivering government services. let's all about the digital India. Thank you.